Hello everyone. Let's say if you want to build your next Swiggy or Zomato recommendation system, you obviously need Python. Assume you are having a dream of creating a secure net banking system for any bank. Obviously, you require Java. So these are the two most powerful programming languages which are leading the market nowadays. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Arambam. And today we are going to explore one of the important coding confusion concept known as Java versus Python. Which one is best for you? So think of Python like a mobile torch, which is very easy to carry, small in size, but useful in many situations. On the other hand, Java is like a heavy object like tractor or lorry. It may take fuel, it needs some setup, it will take some time for development. But once it is ready, it is more powerful, stable, and it can carry any load without failing. So that's the main philosophy. Python we can use for simplicity. Java, on the other hand, is for the stability. Now, let's see the syntax and speed of both Java and Python programming languages. See, if you want to print a simple message on Python using Python, you just execute one line like print hello world. On the other hand, Java, if even if you want to print a simple hello world message, it is very complicated. Like declaring a class, then declaring the main method, inside the main method, and including a statement for printing the output statement. Can you observe the difference? Python is short and sweet, like going to tea stall and asking for tea. It is done. On the other hand, Java is more detailed, like filling a railway reservation form. It has many steps, but it is very systematic. So coming to typing, Java is basically statically typed programming language. It is like Aadhaar verification. You must show your identity first. On the other hand, Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Like talking to your friend, you can start without any formality. Coming to the performance, Java is faster because it is compiled and optimized. On the other hand, Python is bit slow because but it is perfect for quick testing and learning. Let's see where you can use Python. So where is Python ruling today? The first sector is AI and data science. Google, Netflix, Flipkart, all of these companies are using Python for recommendation system as well as machine learning. Second one is web development. Frameworks like Django and Flash make website backends very easy. So many Indian startups are using this. It is also part of the Python. Then finally automation and scripting. Whether it is managing Excel sheet or automating a boring task in IT job, Python is the go-to language. That's why many students, even beginners, start learning programming languages using Python. It gives results very quickly and keep you motivated. Now let's talk about the Java and its applications. See, let's begin with our backbone of IT industry, enterprise applications, banks, insurance companies, railways, telecom. So these are the companies, some of the well-known companies which rely on Java for development of their applications. Second application is on-rail development. As you know, nowadays without mobile, you cannot find anyone. So most of the mobile applications, as you know, one of the popular operating system of the mobile is on-rail. So many of the applications you use daily are written in Java or Kotlin. Even Kotlin also, which is built on Java. And another application we can discuss about Java is big data and large systems. Tools like Hadoop, Spark, which are also built on Java, which can handle massive amount of data. So if you are looking at corporate IT jobs, MNCs, large projects, Java is still the king. So, Python or Java, what you should choose? Choose Python if you are a beginner. If you want to enter AI, data science, or automation, or if you just want fast results, go with Python. On the other hand, choose Java if you want to work in enterprise IT applications, banking, on-ride, or need high performance. But here, there is a smart move. Learn both step by step. Many Indian IT companies expect you to know Java, while startups and AI labs love Python. Developers who know both are most in demand. So finally, Python is beginner friendly, used for data science and AI, Java, enterprise, on-ride. If you are having expectation of high salary, go with Java. What is best? Learn both. So if you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which language you want to learn first. Either Java or Python. This is Tech Auramam helping you to start your tech journey the right way. Thank you. See you in the next video.